In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Smartsheet for workflow automation step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Workflow automation in Smartsheet is one of the most powerful features because it allows you to automate repetitive tasks, reduce manual work, and keep your team aligned without constantly sending emails or reminders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access automations, use built-in templates, and get a workflow up and running in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, go to the sheet where you want to set up workflow automation. This could be a project tracker, task list, approval sheet, or any sheet where you want actions to happen automatically based on changes. Open the sheet in grid view so you can clearly see your columns and rows. Having your sheet properly set up with the right columns, like status, due dates, or assigned users, will make your automation much more effective. Next, look at the top menu of your sheet and click on Automation. This is where all Smartsheet workflows are created and managed. When you click Automation, a panel will open showing you existing workflows if you have any, along with options to create new ones. Smartsheet makes this very beginner-friendly by offering pre-built automation templates, so you don't have to start from scratch unless you want to. Now, click on Create from Template. Smartsheet will show you a list of automation templates designed for common use cases like alerts and reminders, approval requests, status changes, and task assignments. Browse through the templates and select one that matches what you want to automate. For example, you might choose a template that sends an alert when a status changes, or one that requests approval when a task is marked as complete. Once you find a template that works for you, click on Use this template. After selecting the template, Smartsheet will open the Workflow Editor. Here, you can customize the automation to fit your exact needs. You'll see triggers, conditions, and actions already laid out for you. Review each step carefully. You can adjust the trigger, such as when a row is added or when a column value changes. You can also modify conditions, like only running the workflow when the status equals a specific value. Finally, customize the action, whether that's sending an email, requesting approval, updating a cell, or assigning a task to someone on your team. Once you're happy with the workflow settings, give your automation a clear name so you know exactly what it does later on. Then click Save. Your workflow is now active, and Smartsheet will automatically run it in the background whenever the trigger conditions are met. This means less manual follow-up, fewer missed tasks, and a more efficient workflow overall. I highly recommend testing your automation by making a small change in your sheet, like updating a status or adding a new row, just to confirm everything works as expected. You can always come back to the automation menu to edit, pause, or delete workflows at any time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Smartsheet for workflow automation using templates. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.